swing out and you play for no can just smell it. Tell me so now smell it.
That's start bubble up.
Hold them. Hold them, hold them. Yeah. Back at it like a crack addict. Welcome back to another video, people. You don't know this is your boy Nigel. So right now, peeps, we get some lobster right at White River in a Ocho. So we are gonna do some lobster, some grilled lobster at the river. People, me have a guest out here with me, so I'm gonna make him introduce himself and tell you what I go on. Watch what I go on, man.
Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Nigel. It was a pleasure to meet you, yeah? My name is Bling. I have a YouTube channel named Bling Lifestyle. So I'm living in the UK. I'm a Jamaican still, but I do every little bit of everything. So you don't know anything when I say, I eat my video. You know what I say? So right now, Nigel, I'll give me a tour of the place right now, because I'm not familiar with this area. Don't watch that. So yeah, boss, I'll give me a tour of the area. So right now, I just want to tune in, watch what I go on, and big up yourself, Nigel, every time. I remember, go over my channel, the name Bling Lifestyle. So big up. Are we out here?
Yes, no man.
Yeah, man.
So now check him out. Him link I got down in the description. Him a tour of Ocho, you get me? Right. So you don't know, so if him come Kingston, he might get a tour of Kingston as well. So yeah. Remember guys, if you come Jamaica and you want to tour Jamaica or you want to see some cooking or anything at all you want to do in Jamaica, just remember, just send me a message. I answer every message. What you say, Bling?
That's it. I shot them the G, no joke, straight away. He reply back and I say, yeah man, what you mean? I say, watch there, and no hesitation, you know what I say? No, like, no delay, nothing, straight away. But I say, yo, I will give you and let you know when is when, and then come back to me and say, this is when, and I say, okay then, and yeah, everything was good. So, yeah, no joke, 100% Nigel. A whole heap of people can tell me about Nigel, is it? Yeah man, whole heap, is it? So watch him channel, when you see me and tell him, watch your channel. Watch, is it? Watch what I go on, I don't know what I go on, is it?
Alright, you know, believe that people, believe that. Alright, so we are heading out to Spanish Bridge now, so we catch you over there. And big truck a come. Yeah man, welcome a yard man. So I reach a Spanish Bridge now, and you don't know, say, we are met Bling to go on.
Yo, I love it when you just water alone, you know?
Just the water alone.
Yo, look on the water, pretty man.
So, we have a question for you asking, you know, people. So, I got here where must right, you know. Yeah. So, them have a swinging rope right there, so.
Yeah.
You think you're going to do it?
No. I'm terrified, honestly. I can't swim.
Yeah.
For me, born, we don't have no sea and no river. Mandeville, I come from, Galchester. We don't have no sea, no river. So nobody never teach me how to swim. So if we go up on that area up there, even have on 2 life jackets, I still not jump out. I swear, I no joke. That's why height and them things that kind of terrify me, you know? So
yeah.
Nobody trouble it.
True.
I'm going to jump off in here and pass out.
Yeah.
Before you even reach down there.
Yes, no man.
Yeah, so.
But if now gonna do it, people, you don't know, so me I gonna do it and things.
So can catch a little clip. You know what I say? No
believe
joke,
no man.
No joke. Boss, you want a shallow part out there, so where's the knee height?
Yeah man, right around there, so man, yeah, knee height man.
Yeah,
you can't swim off around there, so easy.
Swim still,
yeah. Yeah man, you can't wait your foot. Say if you no come Spanish Bridge and you can't swim, spot the same way when you can. Relax, yeah man, them have life jacket with them rent and thing. So I walk go down to the river, because you don't know, say we are going to do some roast lobster. So I look at spot to spot, I can set up my fire car. I'm going to do some cooking. You don't know, say a whole heap of, also in the water to, you know, people, a whole heap of crayfish in the water, see him, you know. Yeah man, a whole heap of crayfish there in the sea, man. It's like all them part there with the whole heap of.
Yo, look at the water, pretty man.
Yeah man, crayfish there in the whole heap, man. Yeah, believe.
Yeah, beautiful.
That is it. Quite water pretty man. Gosh, forgot to bring my drone. I don't know if some would have fly my drone over here, but forget it. That is it. we'll find a little spot where we are going to do some cooking. Because I don't tell you see some grilled lobster we are to see it here. Now bag here so. Believe no man, right on the riverside. Believe no man. You don't know so I'm not going to left my coal stove. Look what I go on man, you don't know so we have some coal in our bag. And we have some seasoning where we are going to use season up the lobster. So we are going to try to do some garlic lobster, you see me? We're going to make a little sauce as well. Some garlic butter sauce. Alright, so I want you to stay tuned, I want you to lock in. And remember, when you check out Bling Lifestyle.
You see it, yeah. So
yes,
right now,
man.
I help the boss clean up the thing them right now. Because when I say, me and him prepare everything, you know. So that's what you are going, you see it?
Yes, no man. So we out here. So if you don't want to do things like this, people, just remember, link me up. I'm going to jump off in the river right you know. And go and cool off. And then we're going to start the chefing. You get me? Riverside settings. Believe no man? Yes. May I forget some wet up before me start. Deal with the lobster. See lobster? See, so we have a lobster them right here, so. And we're going to chop them up on the stone. We're going to bust them on the stone, alright? That is it. So, we're going to hold to swim. I really swim, just a wet up. See a breadfruit right here, so I float. Jaja. Yeah. So I just cool down a little bit. Ooh. Got the water cold. Deep it. See which part to get you here, sir? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, right just a little deeper. To here, sir. But yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah, man. That's why I love cook on the river enough, Eves. Because you don't know, so when you come on the river, you can just hold a swim. You can hold up yourself. Yeah, man. River life. The breadfruit is still, if it did a little bigger, we cook it. Make him go and float. Alright, we're going to deal with the lobster them right now because we are do some grilled lobster. Alright? Here what I do with the lobster now. I say I do some garlic lobster. I bring butter, I bring garlic, but I never bring no scallion and no thyme. That I forget to bring. See, you know what I'm going to do now? I just butter and garlic. You see it? But it will go bad anyway still. So, now go and watch the process. We're going to get it cut up right now. Wash off a cutting board. Because we don't have a cutting board, you know, so we are make one. Alright? So, we don't watch it play, watch it thing. That is it. Alright, so right now, we are going to bust the lobster them in a cool. Because I tell you, I say some grilled lobster, you see it? Yeah. Yeah, just like that, people. So we bust them now. We give them the butterfly style. Just like that.
Only in Jamaica upon the river. Now they them look fresh in them though.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, fresh in the YouTube channel.
Look how I go on. So that is it. So we are going to clean up the rest of them. And then we are going to light up a fire. And we are going to hold some swim. Alright?
Alright.
So now just lucky.
A code.
Yeah. That's a go on. Watch how I go on. So we are going to set up a fire right now. And get them on the grill. That a go on. Get your cool stove. Grill up some lobster. What did you say? There we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Yeah. That is it. Alright, just relax. Yes, no man. Yeah. So right now we are gonna check in back on the lobster where we are cook here, man. But that go on a Spanish bridge. So if you come here and you can swim and you're not scared, you can do the rope swing off of the bridge right there. You see it. So just visit. You see that we go on back at me a while ago. Believe no man. Yeah man. So we soon go up here and go check in more and make you see what go on. Alright? Believe. I have my all-purpose season right here, so I go season up the lobster them right now. Look on the fire. Yeah. So we are go season them up with the all-purpose season right here, so alright. The lobster here, so we are seasoning it up. Put on some all-purpose season. Just like that. Yeah, rub it in, you get me?
That one white man lobster.
Yeah. Rub it in like that. Then we are going to throw it on the grill, alright? Watch how I go on. Yeah. That is it.
That is it.
Yeah. So 2 of them can hold on it right now. So we have 2 more right here, so. But we are going to put on it next, alright? So now just go and watch the process. Believe no man. As the lobster man. Alright peeps, so like how them 2 dead upon there go and grill. What we are going to do, we are going to season up them 2 here. So as them 2 they done, we can throw them on pan the fire right away. You get me? So we are just season them and make them go on. Make the season go on soaking at them. Believe no man.
You hear that?
That's how we do it on the riverside, you know, people.
Just like that.
Just like that. As a bushman, as a riverman. If you don't believe, ask God. Yeah. So then lobster are fat. Yo, people if you could have just smell all this pot here.
Take time to change color over there, so.
Where you say you can smell it? Where you say you can?
The fragrance off of the lobster.
Yeah.
Smells so good and just a blow across here, so.
Yes.
Smell good, I can't wait.
Believe no man.
Can't wait.
People if you can just smell it. Tell me say you not smell it.
That's start bubble up.
Lobster meat.
No joke, when I link up Nigel, and Nigel will bring you anyone who want to go. So when I come out and check out the bars. Is it out?
Yes, no man. So don't afraid to come a yard, man. Don't just forward. Come in. Look how I go and panic people. I go flick them around. Man, then gone look crayfish. Down the river, then gone.
That's survival.
Yes, no man. So watch how I go and people, I just turn the lobster them. Because I don't want them burn up too much cool day night, so I take out some more tight, you get me? So now just watch how I go on. So piece of lobster drop off, we turn a while ago, say look, cause too much fire there all night, so I make it G taste. Taste that part here. You see me?
What do you mean?
Go on, no, man. Believe no man. Yes, no man. Believe it.
Believe.
Yeah man, believe and never forget. What you say?
No joke. Delicious.
That is
Believe.
it.
Yeah, Nigel, I eat.
I eat.
I eat.
That is
Yo, I eat, man. I want to smell it up.
it. Yeah, some man they don't get this. I want for some crayfish as well. Yeah man. So when you have on too much fire in there, the lobster, the shell I eat burn, you get me? Swing out and swing back. Yeah, and land yourself. Go use the buckle to try and mash out them here as best as possible. So them here garlic. So we are doing it. Mash them. But we have to be careful now because we don't want to break the buckle. You get me? And if we broke the bottle, we have to start all over again. Bush style way, you get me? Check in for the lobster. No one, them gonna bomba, just that. Yeah.
Yeah, man, you know, alright, you know.
Alright.
Cool, yeah.
Yeah.
One of them has a piece of hang off. Let me get the knife.
Bomba the dropper. Yeah, man.
Video, my boss.
Right
them just
blow it off. What you mean?
Yeah,
Can't
man.
make you waste
Can't
no
make you
peeps.
waste. No.
Man, look at that. As a lobster, man.
How's a lobster, man?
Yeah. Look at that, man. So we're gonna finish up with the sauce, you know, and get it on and ready. So look what I go on in there. Believe, crush it. Just like this. Look what I go on in the pot there. Oh, I go there now, so we crush it out as much as possible.
You know what I look for a while ago? See over here, so. And then see lobster on grill.
Alright, so we done crush out the garlic as best as possible. You get me? So we're gonna make one little space pan the fire.
Alright.
Put it. Put it in a meat like, you get me?
Come on, boss, and the sauce, you know.
And then we have the butter right here, so go on, we're gonna boost it. We're gonna put the whole of this one stick in the pot, so as the pot, while the pot is hot, it's gonna melt. Look where I go. Just like that. So make it melt with the garlic. And then when that's done, we just drip some all over a lobster. So it also soak in a lobster. Some garlic, bush lobster style. Right? So I just go and watch the process.
You hear that?
Believe no man.
Believe.
And you don't know, so when you come Spanish Bridge, you know, you have to link up this man here, you know.
Yeah, one Caesar.
What him name?
One Caesar, you know it go.
Believe.
That is it.
Yes, no man. So when you forward, you just link him up. And make him know, say Nigel sending over here. Alright, believe no man. Yeah.
Remember bling there, you know. Subscribe, you know. Always watch the channel. Alright.
So we make it melt. You see it melt out? Yeah. Wow, the flavor nice. Believe it. Like people say butter melt out here now. Look what I go on. Yeah. Garlic butter. Believe no man, so we're gonna sprinkle some of it on the lobster them, you know. And then when that soaking, you don't know say eating time. You see me? Look how we are doing it, you know, peeps. We don't have a spoon. So I just use the knife, take up some and drop on the lobster itself. Just like that. Just get some of the juice on the lobster. Just like that.
Run water. No joke. Run water. Right now, my mouth run water.
That is it.
That is it. I can't wait.
Believe.
So, I bet you know what I'm going to eat with all the sauce. Go on it right now. you know that's gonna be a different type of flavor. Because I tasted it earlier on with the seasoning, so now with the garlic and butter, so it's gonna be different. So maybe you gonna know, no
yes,
joke.
yes, no man. So yeah, Caesar run gone for 2 plates up a shop there. So then forward back, different thing. They come in with some plate. Believe no man.
When you reach here, Caesar, you're gonna feel like a warm on the day, you know?
Yeah, hold on, pan one. Hold on, pan one. So you see every man have a plate. Watch you are going. This side, come in Caesar.
Right? So 1 press.
Yeah, 1 press.
Give me cousin piece, you know.
Believe. Yes, no man.
That is it.
That is it.
You say how many TSB?
Yeah man, TSB. Turn around here so make them can see you better in the light.
Yeah, it's that.
Yeah. Look what I go on.
Right? Yeah.
Yeah.
So it look rich. Ital.
Believe. I eat that. Yes, no man.
Yes, Nigel. Remember, you know, subscribe, you know. Yeah, man, and like, always share. One
Believe.
bling, and 1 yard man lifestyle, you know.
At
Nigel, no?
Yes, no man. So right now we're gonna take off my one and just chew and bling one.
Right now, you ready, my boss?
Bling. May I put on here in front of that plate, yeah?
Alright.
Yes, sir.
Hold on now.
Yes, no man.
Yo, you're there. You're there. You're already still a fry.
Look what I go on, peeps. On the riverside, you know, man. That is it. Lobster. The shell burn up, but you don't know say meat no burn up. That's the most important part. But when I watch no face or nothing, see him where you see it. That's a code. So you say you now bling? Bling and go taste it, make you hear, you know, peeps.
Definitely.
Bling and go test it, you know.
Alright, with the garlic and butter sauce. Let me see me.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
That is it.
No joke.
Believe no man. So right now me I go dig in my own right now, you know, peeps.
You don't get jealous.
Mm.
You don't need some of this come check Nigel.
Believe no man.
No joke. See me right here, son.
Yeah.
Yeah, the boss more to find everything. I want to just want to go and buy the laptop boss. Get better price. The first price over here, isn't it? So I'm gonna leave everything to you.
Watch how I go on.
And I eat.
Jaja. This is nice. Jaja.
Wow.
We're not even watch the shell we burn up.
Fly, move,
Watch how I go on.
really nice. No joke.
Jaja. This is food. People, I enjoy it, you know. Can't talk, you know. I say bring you on there lick off in 10 fingers, you know.
Oh, you know. Oh, you know.
We just link up.
I don't have to link up, no joke.
Where is it? Have to link up.
Jamaica, when I come to Nigel, we're not seeing Jamaica.
Yeah, tell them again.
Yeah, you see, me not
Yes,
talk
no
about the
man.
resort, you know, that's not Jamaica.
Mm.
Me I tell about in the bush, in the hills. You know me I say? No joke.
Yeah man,
Everything
bush.
up here just natural. You can hear the bird, them, you can hear everything in the bush, you know? River run. Just relaxing, no joke.
True,
So
true.
no leave the hard work of England, America, anyone I watch right now. No leave and come live some life.
Come
And
here.
live up Nigel and come here. Just like that.
Yes, no man. And tell them go forward from no bling.
Far we are England.
Yeah, where my forward from?
9
We are
hours and
England.
about 30 minutes to take me to reach right here, so.
Yeah.
No joke. So if me reach, we can reach.
Yeah.
No joke.
If bling reach, you can't reach, so watch out. So here I'm gonna go and enjoy this.
Wow.
So when I finish, me link in back with you, alright?
This is nice.
I'm gonna pay plate peeps. Be a trash them, you know. Be a shell. Yo, this was delicious. Yes, no man. Bling over there, so still a digging.
Can't talk. Yo, I make sure every corner, every fix and corner.
Get that out.
Yeah.
Yes, no man. So, I just relax to kind of cool off. Probably go chill in one of them beach chair there. And go and watch the process. And then go some swim. Alright, so now just go and watch, stay tuned. Believe no man, people remember to like up a video, you know. And subscribe if you're not subscribe, you know.
Yeah, man. No,
That
so
is
like
it.
Up.
Yeah man.
YouTube like when you like up the video, you know?
Yes no man, and share it out.
Yeah man. So you know say about thing can stretch some more.
Yeah,
So people them can see what go on.
that is it.
That is it.
So now go and stay tuned. Right now people, we pack up from down the side here, which part we cook. So now we are go up at the bridge. Because see if we can get some bridge action. Like that up there so we're going. So we are go around that side and go get some action. We are go jump off in the water too. So believe. What you are going on, you know, man? Then say them are go jump off a bridge you know. I wish I know brave this one. Why brave this one? That one yeah? Where you say I brave this one?
No, supper.
Alright, we are gonna see how him jump off right there, so peeps. So you don't know, see a Spanish bridge today. We just done roast some lobster. It was banging, so no need to forward out here, you get me? So, see man you gonna jump off you know. Come in, my G. Bust some style, make them see it. Yeah. Don't shy it out. Come in. The whole world will watch you. Don't let go now. Hold on. Bab. How next? How next? How next? How next I go? How next I go? Come in. How we are send a road? A Spanish bridge there no people. I say them do it here now. Them swing off a bridge here stuff and gone. A lot of people ask where the rope tie on. So that tree over there, that's where the rope tie on. It tie on the tree. So every time you swing, somebody have to go down to get the rope. If you don't, come back up here so and land. And remember, if you come here and you don't have a life jacket or if you can't swim, you can get life jacket to rent and spot. And them have a whole heap of lifeguard and spot as well. So, when you come Jamaica or if you're in Jamaica or if you are a Jamaican and never been to Spanish Bridge, you should be come. So who I go next? The next man I go here now and I see what I go on. Well, I pull out all the gram phone. I can see what I go on. Let go bridge. Watch you now, man. I am saying I'm a fisherman, you know. Yeah, man, I am saying I'm a fisherman and him coward. Look what I go on. How am I dry rope, sir? Hold him. Hold it. Hola, youth. Yes, no, man. That's where I go. Where say Aldi and you are going next? See big man here now, peeps. He my swing man, you know, man. Them man in a ramp, you know, man. Them man when them man swing pan it a fly, you know, peeps. Yeah, man. So when you no forward here, just link ask to him. Him always there still. We swing with the girls them. No male. Just the woman them. So no check out when you no forward. No man, so all it more swing and go and see him you know, cause Aldi you know go as yet you know people. So if you no come a Spanish Bridge and want some jelly coconut for wash off on your heart, cause enough of your heart probably not clean. So you no want some clean heart, look what I go on right here so. Can get some jelly here so. Them have them hot and them have cool. If you want a life jacket for rent, them have by bungo right here, so you can get your drinks. You can get every type of drinks. A lot of people ask about the Magnum. Let me show you what I go on. These are the Magnum tonic wine. Right there, so. Look now, man. Yeah. So you can get it right here so when you come Spanish Bridge. Believe no, man. This is a spot. So you check in and lock in. And remember, make them know say Nigel sending over here. You get me? So Aldina go jump off in the water right, you know. You can swing off and right as some people.
Yes, it.
Watch where I go on.
Ah. Yo, I eat. Where's the coal? See that? Yeah, man. Yo, Jamaica nice. Yo, Jamaica nice. No joke. I know at evening time now people just are rolling little by little same way. So you know the vibe is here, you know. Well safe down here, no joke. So you say cool off the energy from morning, though. Cool off.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's a chill and relaxing night some more. So yeah, man, one Spanish Bridge. You say water pretty in the back. Look at blue and nice. That is it. Hot tool.
Celebrate my birthday.
Well, I go on the river there.
There you go. Oh, it is go-go, okay. Alright. Yeah.
Hold them natty. Oh man, yeah! That is it.
Embarrassing, what is he doing, bro?
Yeah. That bad. Watch you are going. Yeah. Where's your 9 life, him have? Yeah, man, me see it, man. Man run pan the wall, peeps. Natty there.
Are you ready for it? Yeah. Take it GoPro now. Yo, take it GoPro. Yo, shoot it like that. Give me GoPro.
See there?
Yeah, for hold it. It's good, man. Yo, don't tell me.
Any skills though?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I saw it. Active every day. Every day we active. No, somebody got it. One on. Eh? Well, still. Hello, whoever live here. Whoever live here have experience. Can't just come here and just do some certain things. You see me? Real. Who next? Pies Nago. Where say you catch it? So this are Latino people. Check him out when him forward a flat, when he forward a Spanish Bridge. See Pies near, Pies and them say I go next, you know. Because see what Pies now.
Run together.
Hold them Pies. Oh, yeah. That is it.
From the left. From here.
Which party am I go? Which party am I go? Watch Natty now. Yeah man, you ready for your Natty? Watch Natty. Oh, them man a skill star. People, me can't do none of that at all. Them man a got Spanish bridge lock. Style. Hold them, hold them. Hold them. Hold them, hold them. Yo. Watch what go on here now.
Where you there? You there right here? Bro, me like go forward now, cause me like go touch.
You see what go on? People them a run from over there so and jump off in there so. Like you see what? Which one of them? The yellow one. Watch what go on. Oh, ball now, me not.
A long time.
Ja, reverse dive that one the car. Them. In our next life, me can do all of this to them and the ear peeps. Yeah. That forward back.
Nothing wrong.
What you say? Talk again. Right down here what go on.
Cut the video them. Right now, some of them hungry.
Some of them hungry now, peeps. Some of them are cut out you know. So we have to cut the video right you know. Yeah. So big up the stunts of them. So we're gonna forward the Spanish bridge. We're gonna check out the stunts of them. Eh? So yeah peeps, we are left out a bush you know. We are left out a Spanish bridge right you know. You get me? It was an epic day, it was good, man, not lie. Yes, no man, we have a great time. The vibes was right. I like when you guys them come and start jump park. I'm telling them that I get some action in them. Who don't left until me get some action. You see me? So you don't know, so how was it? Bling.
Yo, it was the vibes, no joke. It was a lovely time, you know. And today was a lovely time, and no joke.
Yeah.
Enjoy the moment, you see it?
Yeah man.
And the youth them out there, them sick on the swimming and everything, you know.
True.
Yeah, man, but yeah man, enjoy my day out there, no joke.
Believe. So you don't encourage anyone to come to Jamaica?
Oh God man, definitely. You see it, you have to come here so. You come to Jamaica, you know, come at them places. It's like, you know, it's a place where it's just different, it's just cool and relax, you know?
Yes,
you know,
man.
I like it, man. I like it, no joke.
Right.
Is it? No joke, I have to come back here so again.
Believe, no man.
I have to come back.
Your first time here is at all?
Yeah, first time I come here so man.
Believe, no
I
man.
enjoy the good moments there, you know?
That is it.
Yeah,
So people, if you don't want to enjoy things like this, if you don't want to see Jamaica, anywhere in Jamaica you want to go, just send me a message on the gram. Nigel_yaman. Believe no man. So I'm gonna check it out. We are head out you know. I got drop off back. And then me gonna head back in a town. So I want to thank you all for watching. Also remember, check out Bling Lifestyle. Him link down in the description. Show him some love. And guess what? Me catch you guys in the next video. I don't know where I will be. Probably in your backyard. So just look out for me. Banging.